Welcome. This is White Collar Forex, the home of professional trading, and welcome to yet another video. So I haven't posted in a while, guys, but we're back and we're better. So in today's video, we'll be just going through how to start trading for beginners in 2024. So in this guide, I'll just be taking you through how you can start trading Forex as a beginner in 2024. All right, so let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what is Forex trading, right? Forex trading is basically the exchange of different currencies, and as Forex traders, we take advantage of that by trying to predict how different currencies are going to move in the future. And when we predict these moves correctly, this is how we make money. So that is the simplest way for me to explain to you guys what Forex trading is, right? Now, let's get into MetaTrader. So this is MetaTrader. As you can see, this is a demo account on MetaTrader. A demo account is basically a practice account. That is what you use as a beginner to trade. Well, not to trade, but to practice your strategy till you perfect it and you feel you are ready to go into the real market. So this, as you see here, is a demo account. Once you feel you're ready and you've perfected your strategy, then you can move on to a real account, right? So this is MetaTrader. What you see in front of you now are currency pairs, right? And then here, these are your charts, right? This here is where you're going to see your opened trades. This is your history, and this is your settings. On your settings, you're able to change how your charts look and so forth, right? So this is the MetaTrader app. This is where you're going to trade and analyze and so forth, right? So what are Forex pairs, right? As I said, what you are seeing in front of you right now are indeed Forex pairs, right? We have the Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, USD CAD, and so forth. Basically, Forex pairs, like their name, are pairs. This is when different currency pairs are paired, different currencies rather, are paired together. For example, Euro USD is a pair of the Euro and the United States dollar. GBP is the Great British Pound paired with the United States dollar. USD JPY is the United States dollar paired with the Japan yen, right? So that is basically what a Forex pair is. Now, what are lot sizes, right? A lot size, for example, let's say you were here on your USD and you wanted to trade, open a trade, a buy or sell trade, right? This is where you'd go, and then these numbers here, the ones that I'm changing here, these numbers here are lot sizes. So this is what decides how much you're willing to risk in terms of your account, and it also depends on your account size. So the bigger your account, the more you can increase here. So the bigger your account, the more you can increase your lot size. So basically, your lot size is how much you are willing to risk or how much you want to buy or sell on a particular Forex pair, right? Now, when to trade, right? Some people will tell you about sessions like the London session, the Asian session, the New York session, but I don't trade sessions. I just focus on my rules, and when my rules are met, that's when I take a trade. But some people, depending on their trading styles, they prefer to trade certain sessions as compared to others, right? Now, time frames. Time frames, basically, these are time frames here. We have the monthly, starting from the bottom, we have the monthly represented by MN. We have the weekly, daily, H4, which is 4 hour. We have the 1 hour. We have the 30-minute time frame. We have the 15-minute time frame, the 5 and the 1 minute time frame. So you might be wondering, what are time frames used for, right? Well, you can use your time frames to analyze and for entry, and also it depends on your trading style. So Some people prefer the higher time frames, which is your monthly, your daily, and your weekly. Some people will prefer the lowest time frames, which is the M15, 15 minutes, the 5 minute, and the 1 minute, right? So if you're a swing trader, meaning you hold trades for a long period of time, you would obviously prefer the monthly, daily, and weekly. Day traders prefer daily 4 hour H1 M30 around there, and then scalpers prefer the 15-minute chart, 5 minute chart, and the 1 minute chart. Those are people who are in and out of the markets, right? So those are time frames basically, and that is what they are used for. Now let's talk about trends, right? So now we are on the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, in terms of um talking about trends, we have three trends in the Forex markets, right? Number one, we have an uptrend. Number two, we have a downtrend. The third one, we have a consolidation, right? So in an uptrend, you would see consecutive higher highs and higher lows, right? Something like this: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. That is in the case of an uptrend. Now, in the case of a downtrend, you would see the opposite, right? Which would be lower high, lower high, lower low, another lower low, lower low, lower high. That is in terms of a downtrend. Now, the third one is a consolidation. A consolidation is basically a sideways movement. There's no higher high, no higher low. Price is just moving in the same direction. For example, around here. This is a consolidation, right? Let me just make that. So price is not moving higher with higher highs or higher lows, or lower highs or lower highs or lower lows. I mean, it's just moving in a sideways manner. That is what you refer to as consolidation or a ranging market, right? So in terms of analyzing, we have two ways of analyzing the markets, right? The first one, which I don't recommend for beginners, is called fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is when you use economic events or news in general to trade the market. So you try and predict where a currency pair is heading depending on the news that is released. So using that information, you will then decide whether you're going to buy or sell that particular pair, right? Now, the second one is technical analysis. This is what I prefer to use. So technical analysis is when you use patterns to try and predict the market. For example, here we would be using this rectangular shape to mark a zone that price indeed did test, to try and confirm that from there price will move way downwards. So there's options that we use to analyze the markets, like your trend lines. This right here is a trend line. Then we have these rectangular shapes and so forth. So that's when you use patterns and so on to analyze the market. This is the method that I prefer, that I would recommend that beginners in the markets use, right? Okay, now let's go back to how to actually open an account, in this case a demo account on MetaTrader, right? You are going to go here on settings, then you click here, then you press this plus button on the top right corner of your screen, and then from there you press here open a demo account, then you search your preferred broker, and then you will then be able to open a demo account to start practicing, right? It's that simple. So now, how to place your first trade in MetaTrader, right? Let's say you want to buy USD JPY. You will simply press there, and then you will say, I think the price is going to move up, right? For example, that's your analysis. You just press top right, you press trade, then you choose your lot size, and then you do what? Click the buy button, and you've now opened your trade. You go to trade, you can see that you've opened a trade, a buy trade on USD JPY using the lot size 0.35. Now, how do you then set stop loss and take profit? First, let's explain what those two are. Well, stop loss is where you decide, where you tell the markets to take you out in case price goes the opposite direction of what you predicted. It's a way to protect your capital. So you tell price, when price gets here, please take me out of the markets. Now, a take profit is when you tell the markets that when they get to a certain place, please close my trades to protect the profits that I have made. Now, where do you go to adjust these? You go to the trade bar again. You press the trade that you opened. You slide to the left. Then you click the pencil icon, and then you'll see stop loss and you'll see take profits, and then you just adjust them as you wish, right? Now, how to open a live account? Well, to open a live account, you'll first have to go to the broker that you have chosen. You have to go to their official site and open an account there first, and then you'll get login details from them. And then you come here, you click here, the plus button again, log into an existing account. You will search the broker that you registered on their website, and then you enter the login details, and then you will be on a live account. Now, speaking of which, what is a broker? Well, a broker is basically a middleman between you and the markets. A broker allows you to trade the markets, right? This is also where you store your money, and this is the way you're going to withdraw money into your bank account when you've made profits from the market. So it's basically a middleman between you and the markets themselves, because you can't just trade the markets directly. You need a middleman, and that is exactly what a broker is, right? So basically, guys, that is the mini tutorial that I have for you guys, covering just the basics that you need to be able to start trading as a beginner in 2024. So guys, for more tips and more content on Forex, you can follow me on my Facebook page. My Facebook page is Euro USD King. That is Euro USD space King, right? Or you can join my Telegram group to get 2 free Forex ebooks, and the link will be in the description, right? The link to my Telegram and my other socials will be in my description, right? Thank you for watching. Till next time, happy trading.